If you've been wanting to attract more prosperity into your life, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome back. My name is Christiana, the owner of Eternally Arcane, where I make luxury ritual products for your spiritual practice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money rice. It's an easy, intentional way to invite money, success, and more blessings into your life. Stay until the end of this video and I will show you how to make your very own money bowl that will amplify your results. Now let's talk about what you'll need to make your money rice. I'll be using a glass bowl, some white rice, and some green food coloring. Green is symbolic of money, growth, and success, so it sets the intention right from the start. I'll also be using some herbs and some crystals. In addition, we'll be using some Eternally Arcane products. Here we have the Fortune Favors the Brave Money Candle, the Money Manifest Ritual Spray, the Draw in the Wealth Ritual Oil, and the Aura of Success Perfume Oil. Money rice has been used in folk magic and prosperity rituals for generations. Rice has been used symbolically for prosperity, fertility, and also good fortune for centuries across many cultures, including African, Asian, and European folk traditions. Over time, it became a powerful way for drawing in wealth and opportunity, each grain representing prosperity multiplied. Today, many spiritual practitioners still use money rice to attract money, success, and blessings into their homes and their business. For the herbs, I'm keeping it cat safe, so I'll be using catnip, rosemary, and thyme. Each of these herbs symbolize abundance, luck, and protection. For crystals, I'm using green Aventurine for prosperity and opportunity, Citrine for wealth and manifestation, and Pyrite for attracting money and confidence. You'll also need a spoon for mixing. To enhance the energy, I will be using my Fortune Favors the Brave candle from my shop. It's adorned with green Aventurine and Pyrite and scented in warm sandalwood, perfect for wealth magic. I'm also adding extra layers of intention with a few of my other creations, such as the Money Manifest Ritual Spray with green Aventurine, the Aura of Success Perfume Oil, which is infused with carnelian and scented in blood orange, and the Draw in the Wealth Ritual Oil, which contains green Aventurine and Citrine. Everything here is intentionally tied to money energy. Every color, crystal, herb, and scent works together to draw in prosperity, success, and opportunity. We're working with a lot of powerful money energy today. Let's start off cleansing our space with the Money Manifest Ritual Spray. Now let's light our money candle. When I light this candle, I do it with intention. I like to take a moment to breathe, center myself, and focus what I'm calling in: abundance, success, and new opportunities. When you light a candle with intention, you're focusing your energy on what you want to create. The flame represents movement. It carries your thoughts and desires out into the universe. As you work with your candle, use your hands to guide that energy. You can move them slowly over the flame around your space, as if you're spreading light and abundance outward. These gestures help direct and release your energy, turning your thoughts into action. Manifestation happens when energy moves. When you visualize your goal, feel it as already yours. By doing so, you're aligning yourself with your desire. The flame becomes your focus point, a reminder that your intention is active, your energy is flowing, and your manifestation is already in motion. Next, I'm applying my Aura of Success perfume oil. This blend is all about embodying confidence, motivation, and inspired action. It's infused with carnelian, a stone known for courage, determination, and creativity. Now let's add some food coloring to color the rice green. If your rice is not your desired color, you can always add more food coloring to make it more green. Now it's time to add some herbs. I'm adding rosemary, which is one of my favorite herbs for prosperity magic. In money magic, rosemary symbolizes clarity, success, and steady growth. I am also adding some thyme. In prosperity magic, thyme is a symbol of courage, determination, and the power to act on opportunity. It encourages you to take inspired steps towards your goals and supports persistence in building wealth. The last herb I'm adding is catnip, which is not just a favorite amongst our feline friends, but a wonderfully energetic herb for manifestation and attraction. In magic, catnip is known for drawing joy, playful energy, and positive vibrations, which makes it excellent for attracting abundance. Now we're adding crystals, and while you can absolutely leave your money rice without them, I personally love adding a few to supercharge the energy. Crystals act like magnets and amplifiers for intention, so they help with prosperity energy flow even stronger. First, I'm adding pyrite. Pyrite is often called fool's gold, but it's much more than that. It's a stone of wealth, confidence, and protection. It strengthens your willpower and helps attract opportunities for success while shielding your intentions from negativity. Next, I'm adding citrine. Citrine is a powerful stone for manifestation, abundance, and financial growth. It carries the energy of the sun, bringing positivity, joy, and a sense of effortless prosperity into your life. Finally, I'm adding green aventurine. This crystal is known as the stone of opportunity. It encourages luck, growth, and new possibilities, inviting abundance to flow into your life naturally. Now that everything's in the bowl, the herbs, the crystals, the rice, it's time to put in your intentions. I like to visualize golden light flowing through my hands as I'm mixing. The key to manifesting is to feel gratitude and abundant already and to take aligned action towards your goal. For example, if you're wanting to manifest money, obviously that money has to come from some kind of a source. It could be a new job or a business. The aligned action is when you apply for that job or start that business. Now that our money rice is fully charged, I'm placing it in a glass vial. That way you can place it on your altar and have it handy when you're doing money drawing work. Also, if you'd like to purchase this exact money rice I made in this video, it's now available in my shop, as are the other products that were featured in this video. Each vial is made with the same ritual process and is charged with the energy of prosperity, abundance, and wealth. This is actually one of the ways that I use to keep my spiritual business flowing with prosperity. It's all about staying aligned with the energy of abundance and putting intention behind everything you create. When your work is infused with purpose, passion, and gratitude, the universe always finds a way to support you. Now let's make the money bowl. I poured my money rice into one of the antique money bowls I had. You can of course use any bowl you'd like. I'm adorning it with coins, dollar bills, more crystals to amplify the energy of wealth. You can also use anything that symbolizes abundance for you, such as cash, jewelry, gold charms, or even a token that represents your goals. The petition paper you see there is where I wrote what I want to attract. When you write on petition papers, make sure you're specific and you're writing your desire in the present tense as if it's already yours. Once your bowl is complete, place it on your altar, nightstand, or desk, or any space where you want to draw in prosperity. Each time you pass it by, take a moment to feel gratitude and visualize your abundance continuing to grow in your life. To refresh your money bowl energetically, you can stir the bowl occasionally while repeating your intention. You can add new coins or crystals, or lightly mist it with a prosperity spray, such as the Money Manifest spray, to reactivate its energy. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. May your path be blessed with opportunity, success, and overflowing prosperity. Thank you for watching.